Okay, John then. I think you know that was it. I think you know that was it. They're cooking oil for tonight. That was it. Murutika $10 box red 20. Are you 6 by 1 kg? But funny, my 1 kg and still more one again. Rupo nama 150 grams. Ska price ya wait by. $1. Hii majakaranda yatanga vanhu vakupadhuze nekunyora ichi mari inipanaona matarisa mukadzoka ndafungwa kuti maybe ukarasviye same price. Thank you. Sleepy shade as you do me goody. That's Mary. Madam Shadow. anonzonge matauni. Zvainzi kana pane kusoronetsikana nekumutsvaga here watwati ekupi emukati umu mamani bhukeka Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I know we are already deep into this vlog, but yeah, I decided to open it up here because there was just a lot going on, so I couldn't open up the vlog. If you're new to this channel, my name is Delight and I do lifestyle content mostly in the form of vlogs. So if that's your type of vibe, please consider hitting the subscribe button to become a part of the family. I also do fashion content, which is Fashion Fridays, and I also do cooking content. So if that's your type of vibe, please consider hitting the subscribe button to become a part of the family. So thank you so much guys to all my regular besties, the day ones, for always coming back and making this place your home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you hit the subscribe button, and I hope you're already enjoying this vlog. I think I just showed you when we went to buy groceries in town, and then I did the grocery haul. So today it's a Sunday. This vlog was supposed to go up today, but unfortunately I couldn't do that because there was just a lot going on. So right now it's around 11 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go. I'm going to sell some thrifted shoes. We have a market day today. We call it Bakos. If you're in Zimbabwe, you know Bakos. You know what Bakos is. So this side we do it on the 21st of every month. So that's where I'm going today. I'm selling thrifted shoes. I'm selling underwear, and I also have wallets and stuff. A lot of stuff that we are selling with my mom. So that's where I'm going now. I'll try to show you guys my feet, what I'm wearing. So let's get into the rest of this video. I think I'll just show you guys where we are and what we're selling, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Yeah, okay. Yo. Door. Pure, it's older. Ndati wamhoresa wapfura newe. Bye bye.